Hi guys, today we're going to try and push collect to prestige 1. I'll try and do it I'll try and do it, but this is maybe part 1, I think. Yeah, it's part 1. So I will try and make movie try and do this because I really like playing Brawl Stars with my friends. So whoa. I haven't actually kind of really played this series, so what the hell? That's a really cool Spug skin. But I just want to ask, why is he huge? Was he fat? Heh. Okay, I kinda stopped. I'm just gonna give you guys now some gameplay. Wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, I'm dead. Anyways, guys, this is my first time playing Brawl Stars in a kinda long time. I haven't played for really long. Oh, we won! Let's go! Nice. But I can stop player. I mean, you did really play good. But that's fine. Sorry if it irritates you guys that I'm talking the whole time, cause I really can't help myself. It's actually really fun talking. Anyways. Anyway, if you guys have a favorite brawler in Brawl Stars, comment it down below. My favorite brawler has to be Griff. I really like how he speaks. He's like, gives me like a stalker vibes. And yes, I do know he works at the gift shop, but whoa, I don't actually really good. Alright, snipe. I hate. Sorry to disappoint you guys, but I kinda don't like this new Star Patrol update. I mean, everything's good except that you could literally transform into the most broken character in the game. Because everyone I have seen that has collected the Star Patrol stuff is literally just killing me in like one shot. So that is really kind of unfair. Especially the Amber Star Patrol. Really irritating. And sorry for all the lag, because my Wi-Fi is kind of bad. Dang, lag, really. And sorry if my aim is actual trash. I can help it. I'm not really good at aiming. Now we won! Anyways, sorry that this video is kind of short, because I have to go sleep, because I'm sleepy. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out. Bye!